Back, you grass! Back! Hi everybody, I'm Glamp Man here. Glad you could join us. So, I wanted to mention today what is the #1 most annoying thing that I have to do, and you might have to do, when maintaining your glamp site. And that is cutting the grass. But, to be honest, even before I had the glamp site, I still had to cut my grass anyway. Now it's just an excuse as a but I could write it off as a business expense. You know, gasoline, tractor repair. Take the good with the bad. Fortunately, I have inherited a 54-inch cut Simplicity tractor mower. It gets the job done, but it's just constant, especially in spring when you have so much to do. You got to get the grounds ready, you got to get the buildings ready, you got to repaint things, you got to fix things that fell apart during the winter, and then you get interrupted every couple of days because you have to cut the grass behind my... Now would be a great time for you to like and subscribe to this channel, as the adventure is about to begin. Hi-ya! Yeah! Back, you grass! Back! Back! Back, grass!